Assalamualaikum. We are making this quick and easy Indo-Chinese recipe of chicken vegetables. The ingredients you will need are boneless chicken, salt, ajinomoto, chili powder, black pepper powder, turmeric powder, white vinegar, hot sauce, ketchup, a cup of water, chicken cube. Vegetables include red or white onion, bell pepper, Thai chili, jalapeno, ginger garlic, and tomatoes. Cube the vegetables, chop ginger garlic, slit the Thai chili. Marinate chicken with some vinegar and all the dry spices. Let's set for some time. Heat oil, saute ginger garlic until it changes color. Add chicken, let cook on one side. Stir, cook, but don't overcook, as chicken breasts become dry if overcooked. Add vegetables and a spoonful of vinegar. Stir, add ketchup. No need to cover and simmer, as it tastes better when chicken is fully cooked and vegetables are crisp. You may serve it with naan and yogurt or raita, or boil some rice like I did. Soak 1 cup of rice, heat 1 stick of butter, add water, let boil, add salt, drain rice, add rice to the boiling water, cook. When water is reduced, cover and cook by turning the stove to low. Rice will be fully cooked in another 15 minutes. Serve chicken vegetable with rice. This is a very easy and delicious recipe, perfect for big gatherings or a quick family meal. Happy cooking!